How's it going, everybody? It's another magical day here at the Grand Floridian. Today we'll be taking a room tour of our DVC stay in a one-bedroom villa here in this wonderful building, and we'll be on the second floor. And here's our room number, 1217, second floor. Let's head on in. Here we go. We're gonna start off to the left. Extra guest room that way. Art. We'll get to the living room in a minute. Let's go this way. So we have a panel here, but it's for electrical. Here we have our storage closet, ironing board, and a laundry basket. And over here, as most one bedrooms do for DVC, washer and dryer with soap provided. Now we're going into the massive bathroom here. As you can see, we have some H2O products. Love those. Giant mirror, that's really cool. Just standard shelf space stuff. Single vanity. Your toilet. The flooring looks amazing. The shower is ridiculous. One glass shower entry. Oh my gosh, they're not the dispensers. As you can see, it's echoing. We have a rainfall shower, shower head, ledge down here. Gonna take a lot of showers tonight. All right, we're coming out of there, and then we have a full standalone bathtub right here. More H2O products right there. Another mirror, but this is the best part. TV in the mirror. Hey, me again. So my son and daughter, while they're taking baths, they can watch TV, or I can watch TV. Here's the little remote right here, cleaned. Hair dryer down below. Lots of lighting. We're now step into the bedroom. Oops, sorry about that. We got a lamp. Perfect table for work. More art. Decent sized TV. Looks like a 45 right there. I'm gonna guess that one. 42, 46, somewhere in there. A lot of mirrors. Lots of mirrors in this one. Oh, robes. I didn't even notice that. We got 2 robes for the night. We got our safe, extra pillows and blankets up there. Plenty of storage space in this room. As you can see, firmness. It's a pillow top feels like, and then the below that's pretty stiff. Lots of pillows, chair, outside. We'll go outside in a minute. Now we're gonna go into the living room. Already brought our bags up. Look at this lounger. Is that a? I believe that's a. Yep, it is a pull-out couch. Wonderful room here. Look at this. We got the nice TV. This is one of my favorite Disney beds right here. You don't even notice it. Pull it out. We got a Disney bed right there. Like right under the TV. Love that about these one-bedroom villas. Okay, we're gonna put that back up now. We're just now. You can see. Got some nice art up there. Again, mirrors galore in here. The artwork and the design of this room is just unreal. Let's see. Function set, temperature zone, full-size fridge, freezer, stove. This is a DVC room. You know, it does come with a lot of those awesome amenities. Actual silverware. We were just at Jumbo House. Had plastic. Grand Floridian looking amazing here in the kitchen. You can see we got Joffrey's coffee over there, toaster, coffee pot. Interesting small sink right there. What do we got here? Dishwasher. Okay. So we got soaps underneath. We got the extra paper towels, soaps, scrubber. We have an awesome half moon seating area right here with table, chairs, an ice bucket. And then we lead right back to the main door. Now let's head outside. Like I said, we are on the second floor. So I'm not expecting too much of a view. I guess I'm not doing the door right. There we go. Nope, we do have the roof line here. We have some trees in the area, but there's a monorail passing us by right now. Very cool. There's a lobby downstairs here, and then the main lobby of the Grand Floridian's down that way to the right. It's I don't know, probably about a 3-minute walk. This is our view. Huge deck. Look at this. We got 2 chairs and a table and enough room to run on the deck. This is one of the nicest rooms I've ever stayed at out of all the DVC stays we have done. And I would have to say Grand Floridian did it well. So if this was very informative for you and you enjoyed it, please hit that like button. Lets me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And we're going to continue on doing more of these resort tours as we continue visiting Disney World. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.